Oh, gather round, you daft bastards, for another tale of idiocy involving Kevin and Lance. This time our eejit heroes stumbled into a forest where they encountered something truly magical. It all started on a dryke Saturday with nothing but a couple of cans and a daft notion. "Let's go for a wander, Lance," Kevin suggested, scratching his arse. "I heard there's a hidden glen in yon woods." Lance, always game for a daft adventure, agreed. "Aye, let's do it. What's the worst that could happen?" As they bumbled through the trees, laughing and tripping over roots, they noticed a strange glow ahead. "What the hell is that?" Lance muttered, squinting against the blinding light. As they stepped forward, the light grew more intense, till it was almost blinding. "Ack my eyes!" Kevin shouted, shielding his face. But as they drew nearer, the light softened, revealing the source. A magnificent unicorn radiating an energy so powerful and bright, it was like the essence of life itself. The unicorn's presence was so overwhelmingly beautiful it healed every zit on Kevin's back, leaving his skin as smooth as a bairn's bum. Lance's beer gut vanished in an instant, leaving him feeling light as a feather. They stood, mouths agape, overwhelmed with a powerful sense of well-being. The ancient unicorn master of the Starry mark appeared beside the unicorn, his eyes gleaming with wisdom. "Kevin Lance," he intoned, his voice echoing through the glen. "Ye have been chosen to bring this beauty, joy and passion back into the world." Before they could utter a word, the unicorn master touched their hearts, burning a piece of his star into them with unicorn magic. "Carry this with you always," he instructed. "Let its light guide you." That was the last they remembered. They awoke in the glen, their heads pounding with a strange headache. Kevin rubbed his temple, looking at Lance. "That wasn't real, was it?" Lance, equally bewildered, shrugged. "I dinna ken, but I'd better do what the unicorn said, just in case." And so, the tale of Kevin and Lance's encounter with a magical unicorn spread through the village. A reminder to all that sometimes even the daftest eejits can be touched by the extraordinary. And if you ever find yourself doubting the magic of the world, just mind Kevin and Lance, the unlikely bearers of the unicorn's light. Slant you bobbags. Listen up, if you haven't liked and subscribed, I'm just going to have to ask you to, you daft bastard.